never agree to such, because in 100 years' time, all of us here will no longer be alive, and our children and grandchildren will say we sold out, because they will still be living under the white economic domination. More than 100 years after political independence. The struggle for land reform and transfer of land is long overdue and should be speeded up to avoid the conflicts that characterized many post-independence African states, nations, and countries. We refuse to continue living like we are in a colony. All this aspiration will require a disciplined, dedicated, determined, focused, fearless, and forward-looking cadres who are committed to economic emancipation of South Africa and African continent. It will not be an easy road to be activist and a cadre of EFF, because those with political power will do everything in their power to isolate, banish, retrench, persecute, politically prosecute, tarnish, and even kill economic freedom fighters.
Even said that when you say the land must be shared amongst those who work it, it means if whites can work on this land, they too can claim it. But the reality is that this land belongs to the African majority in South Africa. These whites found us here, and none of them came with a bag full of land. That's why they can't claim to be owning the land here in South Africa.